So what should you know before you start this AutoCAD Essential Training course? Well, the first thing you should know is that we are using the latest version of AutoCAD, which is AutoCAD 2019. Now, you don't have to be running that latest version to take this particular course. It's obviously preferable, but if you're not running it, don't worry. What we're going to teach you is the core skills that you need to know to drive AutoCAD effectively and productively. Now, the whole idea is that it comes down to the bottom line. The quicker you are when you're drafting with AutoCAD, the quicker you are in the office, and obviously your company is that little bit more profitable because you're good at what you do, because you've learned how to drive AutoCAD effectively. That's the whole idea of these courses, to make you better and empower you and to drive you forward using AutoCAD. Now, be aware as well that the version that we're using is AutoCAD 2019, and that uses a file format called the DWG, the drawing file. That's the AutoCAD native file format. All of the DWG files that you need will be provided with this particular course as well. Now, just be aware that the DWG file format is available in AutoCAD all the time, and there are various different DWG versions. We'll cover that in the next video where we talk about using the exercise files.